Hello, this is Eric, Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency as well, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and with a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, so that you have easy access to the back seat where you have seating for 3. They can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle, you have 2 fold-out cup holders, a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in there to power or charge. And then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the truck with you running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through trip 1 and 2. Actually, we're on our My View right now, which is our favorite screen, where you can put any subcategory for ease of access. But we're looking at our trip 1 and 2 information, as well as Eco Coach, auto start stop status, radio controls, and fuel economy. But then you can back out of that and go into truck info, where you have your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info. Then you can also go into your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to the left side of your steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom side. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer. But then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. And to the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport mode. And then on the other end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there, and this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box. And then moving down from your climate controls, you have another USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too, with a shelf beneath it so you can put your device there while it's charging or whatever else you want. Then you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath that for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.